up, pull up, pull up, sink rate, sink rate,
left side is available, I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way.
pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, sink rate, pull up, sink rate, 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 sink rate.
That's what I thought. Nice, scale to 1990. 7 Papa Romeo, runway 1, taxi into position and hold. It's 9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 1 for me.
Sink rate, sink rate, sink rate.
$1,000.
121.9 will do it, Delta 778. Intercept localizer. Let's do it, intercept localizer, American 168. Correct, 588, heavy turn right heading 070, say airspeed.
500. 400. 300.
Correct, 588, heavy turn right heading 070, say airspeed.
200. 100. 50. 40.
084, runway 31 left, you are cleared to land.
Sink rate, sink rate, sink rate.
Pull up.
Pull up.
360, American 1262. Wind, green right, wind 0805, clutch right turbulence. American 1262 heavy. The left side is available, I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way. Delta 1716, turn left heading 130. 130 to 1716. Okay, 3 mile final, Turby, left base, runway 15.